Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create anime editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can import some photos or videos to CapCut, and then you can add song or music to your project, and then you're going to add beat mark. So you can go to the beat option right here and then select auto generate, and then the beat mark will be added automatically. And then you can cut your clip according to the beat mark like this. You can cut it one by one, and then you can apply keyframe. But wait, let me cut them first guys. It takes longer time like this, and wait. Okay, I'm going to cut it guys. Okay, done. And then I'm going to add keyframe. I'm going to add keyframe to the first part. Okay, add keyframe here and here, and I'm going to zoom in like this, and then you're going to add grab. Okay, you're going to choose flow 2. Okay, this flow 2, and you can apply this keyframe to all your clips like this. Flow 2, where is flow 2? Okay, zoom in, and again keyframe, oops, keyframe here, and then zoom in, and then flow 2. Okay, and then you're going to apply black flash. I'm going to go to the video effect and then search black flash. Okay, like this, and then you can apply it to all your videos. Okay, done. And it will create something like this, and then you can also apply play pendulum effect, this one, and I'm going to adjust the intensity. I'm going to make it 15 like this, and click on the check mark and make it align with your clips, and you're going to play it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create anime editing using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.